Dear students, now I am going to teach you the topic digital to analog converter, DAC, right? So digital input will be converted into analog output, right? So this is the digital to analog converter. So binary word, which is the digital input, is fed to the digital to analog converter, which is converted into analog output voltage, which is available here, right? And positive reference voltage and negative reference voltage will be given to the digital to analog converter, right? See, binary weighted resistor DAC, then R2 2R ladder DAC we are going to study now. First let us see binary weighted resistor DAC. Okay, so this is the circuit. Here it is having the operational amplifier and the resistor network. So this operational amplifier is used as a summer, right? So which sums the binary weighted currents I1, I2, I3 up to IN. Okay. Then the resistors, so 2R, 4R, 8R up to 2 per N R resistors are used, right? So here the digits are D1, D2, D3 up to Dn, right? So these are the digital input. Okay. So if the number of digits are more, the resistance value will be very high. Okay, right? So that is one of the drawback of this binary weighted resistor DAC. Okay. Then total current IT is equal to, see here total current IT is flowing, which is equal to sum of all the currents, right? So IT is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus etc. up to IN, right? Then output voltage drop across RF is V0 is equal to minus IT into RF, right? Substitute IT here. So what will you get? Minus I1 plus I2 plus I3 up to IN into RF. Okay. Then see, so what is I1? I1 is nothing but D1 into VR divided by 2R. Is it not? D1 into, so this reference voltage, right? VR divided by 2R. Okay. Then plus I2. What is I2? D2 into DR, reference voltage VR divided by 4R. Okay. Then plus I3 is D3 into the reference voltage VR divided by 8R, right? So plus etc. up to DN VR divided by 2 per NR into RF. In the next step, you just bring VR divided by R outside. So what will you get? Minus VR divided by R D1 divided by 2, is it not? That can be written as 2 power minus 1 plus here D2 into, so this 4 can be written as 2 power minus 2 plus D3 into this 1 divided by 8 can be written as 2 power minus 3, okay, plus etc. up to Dn 2 power minus n into RF, right? Here you just take RF is equal to capital R. So if you are substituting instead of RF R, what will you get? V0 is equal to minus VR C into, so here you just see, so minus VR divided by R, so instead of this R will come, right? So that R will get cancelled, the remaining will be minus VR D1 into 2 power minus 1 plus D2 into 2 power minus 2 plus D3 into 2 power minus 3 plus etc. up to Dn 2 power minus 10, right? So this is the analog output voltage in case of binary weighted resistor DAC. Okay. Next one is R2 2R ladder DAC. Here, actually in binary weighted resistor DAC, if the digits are more means the large value of the resistance should be used. Is it not, right? Because 2R, 4R, 8R up to 2 per NR, right? The resistance value increases. Is it not? So that is one of the drawback, right? But in case of R2 2R ladder, here the resistance values are R and 2R, right? If for the number of digits, only R and 2R resistors will be used, right? The resistance value will not vary, right? So that the very high value of resistance we should not use for the case of R to 2R ladder. But in a binary weighted resistor DAC, if the digits, number of digits are increases, the value of the resistor will be increases, right? So that drawback will be overcome in the case of R to 2R ladder DAC. Okay. See here, so it uses operational amplifier, then resistor network. Okay, see here the resistor position can be controlled by the digital input. Okay, right, here D1, D2, D3 is 1 0 0 0. Okay, so D1 is 1, so it is connected with minus VR. D2 is 0, so it is connected with ground. D3 is 0, it is connected with ground. Okay, then you just redraw the circuit, and so this is grounded, so this is grounded. Okay, this is grounded, and here this terminal is connected with minus VR. Okay, next see, here nodes are A, B and C, right, and the feedback resistor is 2R, right. Here first let us find the equivalent resistance, right. After that we can find the output voltage. For finding the equivalent resistance, see, at node A the equivalent resistance will be, these two are in parallel, right. So 2R parallel with 2R means 2R into 2R divided by 2R plus 2R. Okay, so what will you get? This is equal to R. So instead of this parallel combination, you will get R. That R will be in series with this R. Okay, so R plus R is equal to 2R. Okay, so here you are getting 2R, right. Then that's 2R in parallel with 2R, is it not? So 2R in parallel with 2R at node B, right. You got it. So you will get R, right. After that, the resistance between C and ground. C and ground. Okay, so what will you get? Here already what is there? So 2R is there, is it not? So resistance between C and ground, that is, here R is there already. For simplification you will get R. So R plus R is equal to 2R for the series combination. Then after that, the equivalent resistance at node C. At node C the equivalent resistance will be is equal to, here already 2R is there, is it not? So 2R, here R is there, so both are in parallel, so we can write 2R into R divided by 2R plus R. So you are getting 2 pi 3 into R. Okay, so in the circuit you just see this 2R is available, so 2R, in the side minus VR is there. Okay, then here by the simplification you are getting 2 by 3 into R. Okay, and it should be grounded. Okay, after that, see, here we have to find the voltage, right. Voltage at node C, right. So by which method? Voltage division rule. Okay, so what do you get? The total voltage into same branch resistance divided by total resistance. Total voltage is minus VR into same branch resistance is 2 by 3 into R divided by total resistance 2R plus 2 by 3 into R. Okay, so after simplifying you are getting minus VR divided by 4, right. Then output voltage, see, so this is the inverting amplifier. For the inverting amplifier the output voltage is equal to minus RF divided by R1 into VI, is it not? So which is equal to, here the feedback resistance is 2R, is it not? Minus 2R divided by R1. Here at this place you are having R. Okay, so R, right. Then VI, the input voltage. So this is the input voltage. Okay, right, which is minus VR by 4. Substitute that, you are getting VR by 2. Okay, so here in R2R ladder network DAC, the output voltage, output analog voltage V0 is equal to VR divided by 2.